आज की हमारी गेस्ट है मुस्कान जैन।
I don't think so. There's specifically 3 things, but if you are very much willing कि भाई internship चाहिए Web3 में, events में जाओ, Indian लोगों के साथ connect करो and just get into Twitter, tweet about things that you are learning.
She is just 19-year-old from Jaipur. 12th के बाद उन्होंने कॉलेज से ड्रॉप आउट लेकर डिस्टेंस लर्निंग शुरू की।
It was so bad. I got really less in my boards and I also messed up my JEE. So I was like कि now I will get into tier 3 college and there will be no future. But I was like मेरे को college नहीं जाना है. I dropped out of my college and I chose a distance degree.
इतने कम एज के होकर अपने पैसों से पहली दुबई की बिजनेस ट्रिप की एंड आईफोन, मैकबुक जैसे गैजेट्स भी लिए बिकॉज शी इज नॉट अर्निंग इन रुपीज, शी इज अर्निंग इन।
So like roughly a lakh per month and it goes beyond that also.
आप कैसे टेक फील्ड में एंटर कर सकते हो विदाउट डिग्री? आप कैसे इंटरनेशनल कंपनीज में जॉब ले सकते हो बाय सिटिंग एट योर होम? कैसे आप इंटर्नशिप क्रैक कर सकते हो एज अ बिगिनर? एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, जो मुस्कान ने अचीव किया वो सब अचीव करने का एक लेट्स इन नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट्स हमारा दोनों का मिलकर ये फोकस होगा कि हम दोनों एक रोड मैप बनाते हैं कि कैसे कोई भी पर्सन सीख सकता है। And yes, also for this video, we want to thank Mitana for supporting our content. इनके बारे में भी आगे जरूर जानेंगे। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। So hey guys, welcome to the new episode of Art of Money. And आज हमारे साथ है मुस्कान जैन. First of all, thank you so much मुस्कान for accepting this invitation. And पूरे community के साइड से मैं आज तुम्हें वेलकम करता हूँ Art of Money शो पे।
Thank you so much for having me. हम वैसे ही काफी टाइम से डिले कर रहे थे ये,
Yes.
so finally let's do it.
Yeah, like specifically हम इसे दुबई में शूट करने वाले थे, जो कि हमसे नहीं हुआ due to a lot of chaos that happened in Dubai, जो कि हम for sure शेयर करेंगे. But yeah, like मुस्कान मैं तुम्हें काफी टाइम से जानता हूँ. Like हम Web3 में हैं, दोनों सेम इंडस्ट्री में हैं, and she is working like I think 1.5 years or 2 years if I'm not wrong.
No, like 9 months.
ओके 9 मंथ। सो अभी जो ग्रोथ पैटर्न हम देखेंगे वो सिर्फ 9 महीने का ग्रोथ पैटर्न है। या इट्स लाइक आई नो लाइक हाउ मच गट्स, मतलब कितने गट्स लगते हैं कि इस एज पे एक्चुअली जाओ एंड देन मेक अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, जो कि मनी वो डेफिनेटली बताएंगे कितना है। बट या सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज मुस्कान, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट व्हाट यू डू एंड लाइक हाउ यू, let's talk about it.
I am a business developer in a company called Tsunami. So what is Tsunami? Tsunami is a early stage venture builder. तो जैसे normal Shark Tank देखते हैं, वो projects में invest करते हैं, वैसे ही Tsunami Web3 and crypto and AI जितने भी projects हैं उनमें invest करता है. And the process is we conduct a venture-thon. Venture-thon एक hackathon होता है जिसमें पहले bounties मिलती है, फिर एक cohort शुरू होता है जिसमें हम project को उनके MVP के लिए marketing and everything train करते हैं, and whichever project we feel like is investable, we invest in them 125K. So
Okay.
125K dollars.
Oh,
That's how
yes.
it goes.
But acha, what's your age right now? And if
So
like,
I am 18 right now and I'll turn 19 in September.
wow. अच्छा, देखो, it's very simple यार. If I'm not wrong, you are from Jaipur, right?
Yes.
Okay. So मैं इस वीडियो को ना थीम ही इसके अराउंड करना चाहता हूँ. So let's say anyone who is जो कि ये वीडियो देख रहा है वो 18 years से लेके तो 24 years के बीच में है, वो टीयर 2 सिटी से बिलोंग करता है, बिकॉज जयपुर इज नॉट अ टीयर 1 सिटी एंड लाइक एकदम ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज वाला सिटी भी नहीं है, बट स्टिल कैसे एक फॉरेन बेस्ड कंपनी, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, सुनामी इज इज जर्मनी बेस्ड, राइट, और वेंचर कैपिटल फंड्स में काम करना ये बहुत बड़े बड़े MBAs के लोगों का भी टारगेट होता है, राइट, एंड वो 18-year-old जब ये क्रैक करता है, and when she is making money in euros, not even in dollars, so it's like it's a big thing. But anyone who is watching this particular episode, उसके लिए ये journey आज मुझे figure out करनी है कि कैसे someone can take inspiration from मुस्कान और वो भी उनके life में फिर फोड़ सकते जैसे आप फोड़ रहे हो, ठीक है? So let's talk about it, like how you started 9 months back. So वहां से थोड़ा शुरू करते हैं.
So not obviously 9 months back, but a year back, जब अभी क्या चल रहा है मई.
Yeah.
So around like boards खत्म हुए थे and JEE खत्म हुआ था and I messed up everything. It was so bad. I like got really less in my boards and I also messed up my JEE. So I was like कि now I will get into tier 3 college and there will be no future. I'll have to sit for placements and I'll get like 5-6 LP of package, and even if I do really good, it's all about luck at the end of the day. जो प्लेसमेंट्स में होता है. तो आई वाज लाइक कि आई हैव टू डू समथिंग. तो मतलब जेई टाइम से ही मैंने शुरू कर दिया था यूट्यूबर्स को देखना, लाइक अमन धतरवाल, कुणाल कुशवाहा, सो लाइक ओपन सोर्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो आई न्यू दैट देयर इज समथिंग आई कैन डू, बट आई वाज लाइक मेरे को कॉलेज नहीं जाना है. लाइक आई कैन डू एवरीथिंग ऑन माई ओन विथ माई लैपटॉप, विथ like anything that I have at my house itself. I cannot go to college like professors and teachers assignments. I cannot dwell into that. So what I did was, जैसे ही boards खत्म हुए तो I started with like coding. मैंने शुरू कर दी coding and like I started going to events. So सबसे पहले event में गई थी मैं GDSC Wow and I was like okay, let's meet people. I was very curious person in general, so I talked to people. How did you do this? How did you do that? Like what do you do? So I met a lot of DevRel people there. So they were like,
DevRel
okay,
क्या होता है? DevRel मतलब एक dev relations, एक job.
Developer relations. So it's like you are evangelist of your company, and जो भी आपकी company कर रही है, you just spread the word into the developer community. So that's what you do. You also code, but there's like a lot of speculation towards that there's a non-tech DevRel, there's a tech DevRel.
Okay.
I don't want to get into that.
Yeah, go for it. Go with your journey.
Yeah. So I met DevRel people there. They told me that that's how they do. They go to events, they conduct events for their company. They just meet a lot of people in general. So I was very intrigued. I was like, I want to do this for sure. Maybe after 3 years, 4 years, I want to do this. So I told them that I have started coding and I'll share my journey on LinkedIn. But one of them told me, let's start with Twitter. And I had already explored Twitter, but not like the tech Twitter. So I went home, I like logged into my account and I saw a lot of tech people. I was there for around 3 to 4 hours on Twitter, and I literally just saw everyone's profile, what they're doing. I took screenshots of some profiles that this is how I want to be like, and I just explored what are they posting, what kind of content is valuable, who has the most amount of followers and how they're getting it. So I just took all that in and I started my journey. I was pretty sure that I want to post my daily learnings, achievements, failures, and just want to get myself out there on Twitter. So that's how I started. I started posting daily, day 1 of code, day 2 of code, day 3. So it was day 75 of code when I stopped coding, because at that time I discovered on like Twitter itself, till 75th day I did few internships in content making, in like social media management.
कैसे मिली थी ये internships?
तो आप जैसे नेटवर्क करते हो ट्विटर पे, आपको अपने जैसे लोग मिलते हैं, जैसे कोडिंग कर रहा है तो I'll follow those people. तो अब मैंने इतना अच्छा कनेक्शन बना लिया था that I knew there's something called personal brand, there's something called social media management, there's something called content creation, content writing, copywriting, ghost writing that you can do. तो फिर like अपॉर्चुनिटी कहाँ से मिली, like people approached me और I approached them. तो usually LinkedIn से I got opportunity, plus मेरा एक friend भी था जो like ये सब करता था, तो I told him to include me also. तो उसके साथ मैंने थोड़ा कॉपी राइटिंग वाला काम किया था, सोशल मीडिया मैनेजमेंट एक कंपनी थी वर्क टुगेदर करके, वो भी थोड़ी Web3 बेस्ड ही थी बट नॉट दैट मच. तो आई डिड माई इंटर्नशिप्स इन दीज काइंड ऑफ कंपनीज.
Okay, and then you got your internship. Then
and then like how I broke into this tech Web3 world. So the thing is that I was like I wanted to become a DevRel, so I was just doing the same things, creating content on like I used to post day 1 of Web3, day 2 of Web3 to just know more about it. So one day like as like I wanted to become a DevRel intern in some company, and I saw there was an opening in a company called Matcha. So what I did was I prepared a like thorough message. तो बड़ा सा मैसेज प्रिपेयर किया कि व्हाट आई कैन कंट्रीब्यूट टू द कंपनी एंड लाइक हाउ लाइक आई विल बी डूइंग इट एंड व्हाट आर माय अचीवमेंट्स पहले के एंड व्हाट आर माय एक्सपर्टीज. तो मैंने क्या सोचा कि मैं फाउंडर को सीधा मैसेज कर दूंगी ट्विटर पे अबाउट दिस एंड आई थॉट दैट कल कॉलेज से आऊँगी तो आई मैसेज हिम. तो मैं कॉलेज से आई एंड आई सॉ दैट ही हैज़ ऑलरेडी मैसेज मी दैट मुस्कान आर यू ओपन फॉर डेवरल रोल्स. It's like, what is happening? Because I followed him the last night and I thought that मैं मैसेज कर दूंगी अगले दिन. तो उनका ऑलरेडी मैसेज आ गया. फिर
ये कंपनी कहाँ की थी? ये कंपनी कहाँ की थी? Matcha
was Singapore based, but everyone was from India itself, like registered in Singapore. So that how it went. Then interviews went. So for interview, how I prepared, I opened the company's docs. I like created a Google document of how I can just do like marketing of the company, how I can let developers use its SDK and all of that, because it was a dev specific role, how I can contribute to the content, docs, technical documentation, and that's what I did. And also I was very new to Web3, so I did not know anything in the ecosystem, like what is going on ecosystem side. So what I did was I just searched on ChatGPT what is Web3, and whatever pointers it gave me, I just told him told ChatGPT कि elaborate करो इसे. तो like मैंने अच्छे से जितना भी था नोट्स बना लिए उसके. और फिर मैं मेरे कॉलेज जस्ट एक दिन पहले शुरू हुआ था. इट वॉज माई फर्स्ट ईयर. एक दिन पहले शुरू हुआ था और मैं कॉलेज में बैठ के पन्ने पलटती रहती थी, पढ़ती रहती थी कि ये है. इफ शी आस्क्स मी, द HR आस्क्स मी, दिस इज व्हाट आई नीड टू आंसर. एंड मैंने थोड़े से लाइक डैप्स को ट्राई करके देख लिया था कि अच्छा ऐसा ऐसा होता है. फिर इंटरव्यू हुआ तो फर्स्ट राउंड वेंट गुड एंड देन देयर वाज अ सेकंड राउंड. सो आई गेस देयर वाज एक थर्ड राउंड भी होने वाला था, बट इट डिड नॉट हैपन. दे ऑनबोर्डेड मी ऑन आई गेस 10th of August. So I came into the company. I worked. I was an intern there, and like I was working with the marketing lead, sometimes with the tech people also, and that's how it went. It was a 6-month internship. So in December it ended.
Wow. And then to Tsunami. So like उसके बाद सीधा Tsunami का opportunity मिला. बट देन ऐसा नहीं हाँ मतलब तो फिर वो जर्नी कैसी है एग्जैक्टली?
सो आफ्टर दैट व्हाट हैपेंड, that was the lowest phase of my life. After my internship ended with Matcha, so I did a podcast. तो उसमें ऐसा हुआ था, I told everything, and बीच में I just forgot to tell that I dropped out of my college and I chose a distance degree. तो उसमें मुझे सिर्फ exams देने जाना पड़ता है. I don't have to go there like properly to attend lectures. I just can study myself at my house and then I can go to the college and write my examinations. So I left the full-time college and opted a distance degree. So that's what I did, and that's what I told in the video also. But it was portrayed that I dropped out completely. So when he posted it on Twitter, it did not go well with people, because in general dropouts are not very appreciated at this point of time, and like क्यों drop out किया, like future क्या होगा and all of that. But I was doing a degree. I can do MBA. I can do anything that I want. So I got so much backlash, and like it was night time, so I guess he slept and he was not able to delete the video. So whole night I was getting bad comments about it, and like the whole Twitter was buzzing. I could not even open the Twitter because everyone was quote retweeting it and saying something bad. And I was also not doing any internship or job at that point of time, so that was the lowest stage. I stopped posting on Twitter. Like nobody knows about this, but that's what happened. A lot of friends came to me and just consoled me that we have been seeing your journey for so long and you have been doing really great. तो मतलब ऐसे sad होने की बात नहीं है. 10 दिन में सब भूल जाएंगे. And you are getting hate when after 2 days you have your first semester examinations. I had to go there and write examinations. So I was like, it's okay. I was just keeping myself in a zone कि मैं अब post नहीं करूँगी कुछ time तक. And then I went to college, I wrote my examinations, and I was when examinations completed, it was a break phase. and then I started searching for jobs. So I applied in few companies. I had contacts with few companies. So like in Web3 it's like all about network. कि आपका जितना बड़ा नेटवर्क होगा आप सीधे रीच आउट कर दो. You know founder, you can go pitch him. Like this is what I do.
And this is how people get the opportunities in Web3. Agreed.
Yeah. And I also have been to a lot of events पहले, like मुंबई में गई थी and like बैंगलोर में गई थी. तो I knew a lot of people in Web3 ecosystem India. तो मैंने reach out कर दिया. तो I got like around, I had 4 offers by the end of January.
Wow.
I had around like 4 offers and I was like, which company to join? So how I got Tsunami, it was again like a crazy thing. So I reached out to Diksha for something else. Like one of my friend needed some
Who is
help.
who is
So I reached
Diksha?
out. So Diksha, she is the chief growth officer of Tsunami.
Lovely.
I love
Okay.
working with her. She's like a greatest person ever. Best women hustler. Like I literally love working with her.
Shout out to her then.
Yeah, exactly. And she's also a podcaster.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Okay, so like so आपने reach out किया, but कहाँ पर?
टेलीग्राम पे. सो माचा की पहले उनके साथ वो हो रखी थी पार्टनरशिप फॉर कोहोर्ट, मतलब वेंचरथॉन के लिए ही. तो हमने कम्युनिटी पार्टनरशिप करी थी. तो आई ऑलरेडी हैड हर कॉन्टैक्ट. फिर उसके बाद मैंने उनको रीच आउट किया था फॉर अ फ्रेंड को मेरे कुछ तो हेल्प चाहिए थी. तो आई रीच्ड हर आउट. तो उन्होंने बोला कि हमारा कोहोर्ट भी आ रहा है एंड लाइक आई वाज लाइक व्हाट इट इज अबाउट. मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा पता नहीं था. So she told me and I was like, she asked me what you're doing these days. So I was like, I was looking for marketing, business developing roles. So she's like, join us, send me a CV.
Wow.
So I sent her the CV and then we had a meet. And what I did, see how I differentiate myself from other candidates. So the job was posted on LinkedIn and there were around 50 to 60 applicants.
Lovely.
But how I differentiated myself is that I already prepared a doc about how I can grow the company. I already did my research beforehand. I went through the docs, blogs and everything what the company does. और मैंने बहुत ही अच्छा like few pointers what can I contribute to the company and all of that. I presented that in the meet itself. So she was impressed and she thought that I can be the one who can be the business developing person. So I handle a lot of things here like marketing, community, BD and all of that. So I can be the person, like people know me in the ecosystem. I'm well connected with Indian ecosystem and now Europe side also. Like I have connections outside also. So that is really cool. So yeah, that's how I started in Tsunami. And you know what, like all of the people are from Berlin, Germany itself. I'm the only one who is from India and like 2 more people who are like from marketing team itself.
अच्छा, एक चीज, will you be comfortable to share, because अभी सबके मन में क्वेश्चन आ रहा होगा, let's say if someone wants to जो ये वीडियो देख रहा है अगर उन्हें भी वो ही उसी तरीके का कुछ समझना है कि अच्छा मुस्कान ने एक्चुअली सुनामी का इस तरीके से डॉक बनाया था. So can we share that doc with people in the form of a template that देखो इस तरीके से आप create कर सकते हो.
We can send them personally. Yeah, I can send them personally.
चलो,
like, whosoever asks about it कि
हाँ.
I need to see the doc.
Yes, चलो एक काम करेंगे. So anyone who is interested जो ये वीडियो देख रहा है कमेंट कर देना नीचे that you want to see that particular doc जो मुस्कान ने सुनामी को पिच किया था in the form of a contribution कि देखो इस तरीके से होता है and then you can replicate and definitely you can also get the same kind of opportunities in the world. So don't forget to comment in the comment down below. Okay, so let's move forward. ठीक है, सुनामी में आ गए हैं मुस्कान अभी तक and she is now working, ठीक है, in सुनामी full time. But still मैं जहाँ तक मुस्कान को जानता हूँ she is not only this is not the only income source जो आपके पास है, right? So can we let's talk a little bit about that. So at the age of 18, Muskan Jain, how much she is making? In average, you can say, or anyway, if you want to talk about it.
So like roughly 1 lakh per month, and it goes beyond that also. Whenever I do sponsorships, I sometimes, so in Web3, everybody has a lot of jobs. Like they do part-time. If they are full-time, then they won't do it, I guess. But if they are like part-time, so what I do is like I freelance for companies also. So it can be set part-time. So sponsorships, part-time and
so freelance में क्या करते हो?
फ्रीलांस में बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट ओनली,
अच्छा
like reach outs, partnerships, and maybe content also for
अच्छा
companies.
lovely
That's all right.
so lakh a month, lakh plus every month, right? Like that's the target जो हमेशा होता है. इसे रीच करने में आपको 1 साल लगा, ठीक है? So ये इसलिए ऐसा, like what do you think, क्यों ये इतना जल्दी? Because see 18-year-old के लिए इतना ये अमाउंट बनाना इन इंडिया इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग, बिकॉज इन द नेक्स्ट फ्यू इयर्स ये नंबर 5-6 लाख पे चला जाएगा, बिकॉज अब लगेगा कि 1 लाख तो इट्स लाइक इट्स नॉर्मल है, राइट? सो ऐसी चीजें, एंड दिस इज हाउ माइंडसेट ग्रोज विद द टाइम. बट एक नॉर्मल पर्सन जो वीडियो देख रहा है, अगर वो 18 के 20 साल 22 साल के भी होंगे, स्टिल दे आर नॉट एबल टू मेक 1 लाख एवरी मंथ, ठीक है? सो व्हाट आई वांट टू आस्क यू, लाइक आपको क्या लगता है कि व्हाई ये जो 1 लाख एवरी मंथ बनता है, ये लाइक इतना कम एज पे कैसे बन पा रहा है? लाइक बिकॉज मे बी फॉरेन कंट्री की कंपनी के साथ काम कर, लाइक क्यों बन पा रहा है एग्जैक्टली?
So when I started, I wasn't getting this much. Like some of my income came from sponsorships also. So these people tell
And sponsorships
me to
are
promote-
Twitter sponsorships, right?
Yeah. So people come and tell me to promote their projects, events, and whatever they want to on social media, because I have a good reach. I have a personal brand. From the very start, I was very consistent on Twitter. मैंने रोज पोस्ट किया है, मतलब जितना वैल्यू आई कुड प्रोवाइड वो किया है. मैंने अपने फेलियर्स शेयर किए कि आई फेल्ड एट JEE and all of that, and I have built my personal brand. I have built my connections. तो like most of the things तो ऐसे sponsorship से आती थी. And then how I was the one, why companies chose me. See, if you compare two candidates, one who is like equally skilled like me and who doesn't have a personal brand, and I am the one who is equally skilled but I have a personal brand, which candidate the company will choose? Like, you can say it's my unfair advantage, but I have worked on that also. You have to have that patience to get all the comments of people. You have to have the patience कि भाई रोज पोस्ट करना है, have to share everything. मतलब it's not a big deal if we think about it, but I did it and the other person did not. So, and Web3 and in crypto space, Twitter is the main area of marketing. It's not like traditional Web2 stuff, and I feel like that's why I was able to get the job in like 1 year, or you can, it's not a short span of time, but if we think about that way, I'm just 18 and I just started my journey. Yes, it is. And like being in a venture builder firm, and also it's from Germany, it makes a difference. But you can make that in India also, but it still makes a difference.
Okay, so अगर मैं ये 1 लाख को डिवाइड करने जाऊँ for you, so major 90% of income comes from Tsunami. Is that the case?
Yeah.
Okay, so like 90% comes from Tsunami as a job, which gives you every month certain amount of money. Are you willing to share what's your like every month salary, if that's you are okay with?
Yeah, it's about 1 lakh only.
Okay, it's about 1 lakh, and with the same time, whenever you promote, so every month, how much? Like let's say $500 or something like that you make through promotions every month. ऐसा कभी हो जाता है और कभी reach ज़्यादा भी हो जाता है.
It's sometimes less, it's sometimes nothing, it's sometimes more. It's like that. So see, I can reach out to people for sponsorships, but I don't. When they reached out to me आगे से, तो I take sponsorship.
And how do you take that decision कि हाँ मैं इन्हें promote करूँगी?
So majorly it's about the events. तो मैं इवेंट्स में तो जा सकती हूँ, लाइक बैंगलोर में हो रहा है, कहीं भी हो रहा है, आई कैन गो टू द इवेंट्स. तो मैं इवेंट्स के लिए प्रमोट कर सकती हूँ, एंड यूजुअली वेरी सरप्राइजिंगली ऑलवेज गेट गुड व्यूज एट इट, लाइक 30-40K. सो देयर इज अ बेस पे दैट इज देयर, एंड देन इफ आई गेट मोर व्यूज देन दिस, आई टेल देम टू इंसेंटिवाइज मी अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट.
Wow, that's a good model. Hi, अगर आप भी मुस्कान की तरह Web3 में अपनी जर्नी शुरू करना चाहते हो और आप Web3 सीखना चाहते हो जहाँ से आपका जो कर्व है वो कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा, सो आपके लिए मेरे पास एक सॉल्यूशन, मिटाना.
मेटाना एक ऐसी कंपनी है जो सिखाती है स्टूडेंट्स को, एंड जो नंबर 1 है अभी राइट नाउ, जो डेवलपर्स को Web3 इकोसिस्टम सिखाती है, जो एक नॉर्मल डेवलपर को Web3 डेवलपर बनाती है। उनका एक नया बूट कैंप भी आ रहा है जिसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया और आप जरूर ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। वो 1-on-1 मेंटरशिप सेशन देते हैं एंड विद द सेम टाइम वो जॉब भी गारंटी करते हैं। एंड अभी अगर आप जॉब मार्केट देखोगे तो एक एवरेज डेवलपर नॉर्मली इतना कमाता है, बट एक एवरेज Web3 डेवलपर इतना कमाता है, which is way better than normal ecosystem. And with the same time, मेटाना ने काफी सारे लोगों को पढ़ाया है और आप जाकर उनका कम्युनिटी भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। मैंने उनका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है, जहां से आप आपका Web3 जर्नी शुरू कर सकते हैं और बहुत सारे Web3 लोगों को मिल भी सकते हैं। एंड हाँ, अगर आप अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं तो आपको सिर्फ एक फॉर्म भरना होगा, वो एडमिशन प्रोसेस होगा एंड विद द सेम टाइम आपका प्रोसीजर जो वो आगे बढ़ेगा एंड आप भी एक बहुत अच्छे Web3 डेवलपर बन सकते हो। एंड स्पेसिफिकली अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हो सो आपको $1,000 विच इज 80,000 रुपीज का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा उनके फर्स्ट Web3 कोर्स के लिए। सो जाके लिंक जो है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, जरूर चेकआउट करो। और हाँ, वापस चलते वीडियो पर, चलो।
Okay, so what are your, let's say, every person have their own financial goal maybe. So ये साल का कुछ financial goal बनाया है at the age of 18?
Not really. So the thing is that whatever comes to me, it's totally invested. See, I went to Dubai. Abhi I came to like abhi 10-20 दिन पहले आई हूँ, and I bought a MacBook. I bought an iPhone for myself. I like not paid for the whole trips. It was like half sponsored by Tsunami, and whatever I did there, I paid for it. So most of my income just gets invested into me only. So I have to work on the financials. Probably I want my father tells me to invest in SIP. So that is a one thing. But there's a smart investment also that I keep listening about. So that's what I want to focus on. And where did you ask where do I see myself?
Yeah, maybe like that at the end of the year.
Yeah, not the end of the year, but I can say few years. I don't have a financial goal as such because I know if I keep working, if I keep the enthusiasm in the similar way, I will make a really good amount. But my main thing is to learn at this point. Main thing is to just delve into the frontier industry like AI and crypto in the best way possible. Learn every sector of it, like DeFi and everything. So I'm working on that, and maybe I want to be in the VC space because I have been working here, so I want to gain more experience in this space, or I'll get into like DeFi protocols, exchanges. So let's see. But major goal is to be in the VC space. So that's what I'm exploring. I explore a lot of VC funds, what they are doing, how they're doing. I just follow them and see what they're doing.
Okay, just a caution. See, when मतलब मैं भी एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करता हूँ, एंड इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग आप भी जयपुर से है, सो मिडिल क्लास फैमिली इज लाइक, बिकॉज अगर आप मुंबई से कंपेयर करोगे तो इट्स अ मिडिल क्लास फैमिली कंसिडरेशन आ जाता है। सो अ मिडिल क्लास गर्ल व्हेन मेक्स 1 lakh and more than lakh every single month, आप इतना दुबई जाकर आए, आपने मैकबुक लिया खुद के पैसे से, लाइक आपने मांगा नहीं है आपके फैमिली को, आपको लाइक ये एक ड्रीम होता है। बिकॉज मैंने भी आके जब आई थिंक 1 साल पहले जब मैंने मेरा पहला मैक खरीदा था, उसके 1 साल पहले जब मैंने मेरा पहला आईफोन खरीदा था पैसे से, तो क्या फील था, लाइक वो फील ही अलग है, राइट? एकदम ऐसा लगता है कि यार हाँ, वो एक अचीवमेंट है, दैट्स व्हाट एक्चुअली गिव्स यू एन एंथुसियाज्म। सो लाइक पेरेंट्स कैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं कि when you are making good amount of money, तो क्या रोकते हैं कि थोड़ा शांत हो जाओ ऐसा? So like क्या सिनेरियो कैसा बनता है?
So my parents are very chill about it. Like whenever I tell them I achieved something, they are very happy about it. But most of the time they don't over exaggerate anything. They are very chill about it. And I feel like even if I'm getting good amount of money, I'm never satisfied.
Like, that's the most important thing.
So there's always a thing in my mind that's not some person, but I can make more. I can make more than this, and I want to. I cannot be happy with the amount that I'm getting right now.
So true यार, this the same thing. Like अभी मैं थोड़े दिन पहले मेरी टीम से बात कर रहा था. It was like कि मतलब नहीं, मैं मेरी मम्मी से बात कर रहा था. My mom was like, because she's sitting in अमरावती, तो उन्हें लगता है कि बच्चा इतना बढ़िया कर रहा है, दुबई जा रहा है. मैं मम्मी को बोलता हूँ यार मम्मी इतना मेरा मजा नहीं आ रहा. I want to achieve way more than what I'm doing right now. अगर if right now like मेरा गोल पैसा नहीं है, but मेरा गोल हर वो चीज़ है जहाँ से पैसा बन जाता है for sure. बिकॉज एट द एंड बट मुझे बस मेरे करियर में या जहाँ भी मैं कर रहा हूँ, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, वांट टू बी द बेस्ट टॉप 1% in that, because at the end that's because पैसा तो with the time आ जाता है.
Because obviously people have multiple goals.
Let's create a kind of a journey, because मुझे थोड़ा ये पूछना था कि चलो give me some resources, because क्वेश्चन आ रहा होगा सबके मन में जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं कि यार DevRel आपने सीख लिया, so exactly पहले मुझे क्या बताओ कि अभी कौन सी स्किल्स है जो होनी चाहिए अगर वो सेम फील्ड में जाना चाहते हैं या जो सेम काम आप करते हो. तो अच्छा चलो इसको ऐसे शुरू करते हैं. पहले वो बताओ कि आप काम क्या करते हो. आपने ऑलरेडी बताया दैट यू मैनेज कंटेंट, राइट. आप क्या क्या काम करते हो अभी सुनामी में?
सो अभी सुनामी में बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट साइड, सो देयर सुनामी का ही खुद का जिसमें सुनामी ने इन्वेस्ट किया था वो प्रोजेक्ट है कॉल्ड फाउंडेंस. सो फाउंडेंस इज लाइक अ वेरी गुड platform for all the third party hackathons to come in, and it has a lot of features like on chain agreements, and it's like totally for web3, like it's a dApp. So I also work on that, so getting in third party hackathons, working on founders, then working for Tsunami Venturethon, building a ecosystem of good builders, letting them in, and then just representing Tsunami, working on the content side, the blog that goes, sometimes the operation side, because it's when you're handling a big amount of chunk of developers databases, it's not easy. So you have to have a good skill set around how to work with those operations and stuff, then have to know how to run campaigns, good campaigns, how to like just enhance the presence of Tsunami. So that's what I work upon. So तीनों side, content, community and like BD. So ये तीनों साइड आई वर्क. एंड बिफोर दैट आई वाज लाइक पिछले साल से आई वाज डूइंग फ्रंट एंड डेवलपमेंट. तो मैं जब मेरी कोई जॉब इंटर्नशिप नहीं लगी थी तो आई वाज लाइक अ seeker for freelance projects. So I keep on messaging people के मेरे को if you want to get your portfolio made, just tell me, I'm going to make your portfolio. So I made portfolio for a person. I guess he was a yoga instructor or something. So I made resume for him. I made a portfolio for him, and I also made a website for him, जो कि कोई तो उनके कोई project की website थी. तो ये तीन चीजें मैंने करी थी, and it was just a landing page. It was not like back end भी चाहिए उसके लिए. तो मैंने वो तीनों करके दिया था, and I earned about 8 to 10K.
Oh,
lovely. Yeah. So that was the first income that I got. It was around 8K, and I was like, crazy. What? I got money. It was so crazy getting in the first amount of income. You cannot compare it with getting a lot of money. The first income, you cannot compare it.
Agreed. The day I made first 100 rupees, I still remember that I was way more happier than जब मैंने 1 लाख कमाया था तब भी.
So, and like I told you that coding tha majorly, and then when I came into Web3 ecosystem, it's all about ecosystem lead, being the ecosystem lead, that you know all the project, what's going on Twitter, you are connected with the projects. If you're in company, you know what kind of projects to partner with. You have a very good database of companies that you can partner up with and just grow the company in general. So it's very different from what traditional Web2 people are doing. Obviously it also has SEO, digital marketing and all that we can do, but there are a lot of different things in Web3 that you need to know, because normal Web2 people would know about Solana, would know about Ethereum, but they would not know about the minor projects that there are. But as a person who is in Web3, you need to know, you need to scroll through Twitter, you need to go through what is this project about, how we can integrate this project, or how we can have a normal partnership like with it, and just content. And like biggest thing in Web3 is like campaigns, how you can incentivize your community. So like going to Galaxy, TaskOn, Zeely, and just creating good content, how we can incentivize our community. So you can do some tasks and we'll give you like $100 or giveaways or stuff like that. So you need to know that kind of marketing also.
Lovely.
Always.
अच्छा, but क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि ये इसके लिए ना एक लेट्स इन नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट्स हमारा दोनों का मिलकर ये फोकस होगा कि हम दोनों एक रोड मैप बनाते हैं कि कैसे कोई भी पर्सन सीख सकता है, राइट. लाइक कि नॉट रोड मैप बट एक रिसोर्सेज रोड मैप बनाते हैं. सो पहले मुझे वो बताओ कि लेट्स से अभी वेब3 पहले तो क्या है, वो सीखने के लिए आपको मैंने कुछ एक वीडियोस भी बनाए, वो भी जाके मैं कुछ लिस्ट डाउन कर दूंगा कुछ वीडियोस जहां से आप जाके सीख सकते हो। बट वेब3 ना एक ऐसा इकोसिस्टम है, इकोसिस्टम जब हम वर्ड यूज करते हैं मतलब एक लोग है, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो एक इंडस्ट्री चला रहे हैं। अब वेब3 में कुछ भी सीखना है, जो भी आपने अभी तक सीखा है, सो मुझे वो लगता है कि वो चीजें समझ सकते हो, आप सीख सकते हो। सबसे पहला रिसोर्स है ट्विटर, सबसे बेस्ट तरीका, राइट। नेक्स्ट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो है इंटर्नशिप, बिकॉज मुस्कान ने इंटर्नशिप करी थी, वहां पे काफी कुछ सीखा मचा में। सो आई पर्सनली फील कि वो जो मचा में जो इंटर्नशिप की थी वो जितना टर्निंग पॉइंट था, बिकॉज आप सीख नहीं सकते कोई चीज पढ़ के, कुछ चीजें करके ही समझ आती है, राइट।
ट्रू, लाइक एंड फॉर मी, मेरे को तो इंटर्नशिप से ही सीखने मिला है। आई अर्न मनी, आई वाज लर्निंग एट द सेम टाइम। तो ये एक इतना अच्छा मेरे लिए रोड मैप था। तो मेरे को खुद को नहीं पता था वेयर टू स्टार्ट। इफ यू आर नॉट क्रिप्टो नेटिव, तुमको वैसे ही ऑलरेडी आधी चीजें कुछ समझ नहीं आएगी। एंड व्हेन यू आर इन द टेक साइड, तो यू हैव टू लर्न अबाउट समथिंग अबाउट क्रिप्टो टू लाइक जो समझने के लिए कि क्या टोकन है, क्यों लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, क्यों इंसेंटिवाइज कर रहे हैं, उनको क्या फायदा हो रहा है, एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस स्टफ। तो मैंने तो एक वैसे डॉक बना रखा है फॉर क्रिप्टो नेटिव पीपल कि वो कैसे, व्हाट कैन बी द रोड मैप फॉर देम।
तो ये भी कमेंट कर दो। तो अभी अगर तुम्हें ये भी डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू कमेंट दैट मुस्कान वी नीड दैट क्रिप्टो नेटिव डॉक्यूमेंट एज वेल, सो दैट इज आल्सो गुड।
So like where you can start, you can first read the Bitcoin paper that came for the first time, and then you can go on, you can create a wallet, how you can perform some transactions in it, and then there are a lot of things that contain like NFTs and how you can learn about them. So there's a comprehensive doc. I cannot explain it only because it's so
much technical, yes, for sure, जो कि आपको रीड करके ही समझ आएगा, yes.
Exactly. And it's not like ki, even if you know what, even when I go to workshops and stuff, technical workshops, I don't understand things because when you don't sit there and open the doc yourself, you are reading through it, and what I personally do is I copy and paste it over ChatGPT and tell it to explain it to me in a simple way possible. And it explains me, and when I understand concepts, it's so fun. Like I personally never did that before, but now that I'm doing it, when I'm learning about more about like the core tech, whatever is coming in new tech things that even companies are there, layer 1 blockchains, layer 2 blockchains. So learning about them is so crazy. It's so fun to learn about tech. You have to do that yourself. People can tell you basic things ki first you have to do this, first you have to do that, but until and unless कि तुम ट्विटर पे नहीं जा रहे हो, तुम खुद से डॉक्यूमेंटेशंस नहीं देख रहे हो, तुम खुद से तुम्हारे अंदर से वो नहीं आ रहा, तुम नहीं कर पाओगे। लाइक इट्स सच अ इंडस्ट्री जिसमें enthusiasm is there क्योंकि market goes up, market goes down, but tech is something that is there.
Yes.
So if you are there for just crypto trading and all, you will get an internship क्योंकि आपके पास experience, आपको पता है कि companies क्या करती हैं. But if you are from tech, it's very hard कि आपको crypto ही समझना पड़ेगा. तो until and unless you yourself push yourself and go out there on Twitter and stuff, learn. I don't think so LinkedIn पे इतनी अच्छी community है Web3.
I don't think so. But yeah, there are many people like us, people like me, people like you, people like a lot of people who actually do a lot of things on LinkedIn. But yeah, for sure. So the next part is the most important aspect that अब वो person के life में वो आएगा कि चलो उन्होंने सीख भी लेंगे, सीखते रहेंगे. Question ये आता है कि अब वो लोगों को रीच आउट कैसे करें, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट आई पर्सनली फील. बिकॉज जब आप मुझे रीच आउट करोगे ट्विटर पे तो आई विल बी ओपन, बिकॉज मैं रिप्लाई करता हूँ. तो ब्लॉकवी में भी आप इंटर्नशिप लेना चाहो तो वैसे ले सकते हो. इन वेब3 यू कैन क्रैक इंटर्नशिप वेरी वेल, बट आई थिंक यू गॉट अ रियली गुड रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम पीपल सामने से, बिकॉज आपने आपका पर्सनल ब्रांड बना लिया था. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट एनी 3 टिप्स दैट यू वांट टू गिव टू बिल्ड अ पर्सनल ब्रांड ऑन ट्विटर. और एक चीज, अगर आप टेक में हो तो आपका लिंक्डइन, या तो लिंक्डइन, बट आई पर्सनली फील ट्विटर एंड लिंक्डइन, ये 2 चीजें एक बार का इंस्टाग्राम पे कुछ ना हो चलेगा. लिंक्डइन और ट्विटर पे तो आपका पर्सनल ब्रांड बिल्ड होना ही चाहिए, बिकॉज वहां से आप इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज ले सकते हो कि इट्स जस्ट इनसेन. मैंने भी पूरा मेरा लिंक्डइन के थ्रू ही बिजनेस इतना बड़ा बनाया है. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट एनी 3 पर्टिकुलर एडवाइस टू द पीपल हु वांट टू बिल्ड देयर पर्सनल ब्रांड ऑन ट्विटर.
See, I don't think so. There's specifically 3 things, but if you are very much willing कि भाई internship चाहिए Web3 में, बिल्कुल if you're mad about it, so I can tell you, go to the events, know about the Indian Web3 ecosystem, because that is only thing you can do right
Yeah.
now. Even if you're not aware with the tech, you just want to get an internship, events में जाओ, Indian लोगों के साथ connect करो, and just get into Twitter, tweet about things that you are learning, and तुम्हारे तब तक I'm telling you 3-4 महीने में if you go to small events, even larger events, talk to people, if you have that confidence within you to pitch yourself to people, I'm telling you connections के through community side internship like handling the community, even handling the social media. There are a lot of DAOs like Hyderabad DAO, Madras DAO. You can see a lot
Even
of DAOs
Pune
there.
DAO, Mumbai DAO, there are a lot of different DAOs already. Yeah.
You can start with your own college blockchain club. Most of the colleges have blockchain club. IITs have really good blockchain clubs. You
Agreed.
can just start with there. That can be your starting point, and then you can delve more into events. If you're a developer, then you can go to hackathons, and like usually I have seen in Web2 hackathons, like the bounty price is very less, but in Web3 they just give out money, like take my money.
And
So
the way to find events is actually to be a part of communities. मतलब आप community में active रहो. Community मतलब Telegram पे communities होती है, Discord पे community होती है, बहुत सारी WhatsApp पे भी community होती है. शुरू करो जहाँ से तुम्हें पता चलता है. किसी friend को बोलो कि वो आपको add करवा देंगे. Something like that. So just
I'm
start
pretty
with
sure most of the people GDSC WoW जैसी communities में होंगे, वो major league hacking जैसी communities में होंगे, जो Web2 specific है, Google Cloud वाली communities में होंगे, वहाँ से they can make a switch, or just they can also be a part of other communities. That's what I think. Plus जैसे आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो, there's a chance for you to be in Web3 space. If you're a developer, learn blockchain development, learn Solidity, learn Rust, and there are so many new languages, Move and all this kind of languages. Learn those also, like after full stack, or just मेरे को तो लोगों ने बोलता front end के बाद भी कर सकते हैं. तो learn that. तुम अगर designer हो, you can be in Web3. Like I am telling you, Tsunami is like always is looking for designers, and it cannot get a designer. Like we had a designer, but we are still looking for a designer. So you can.
What do you mean
just-
exactly by designer? Graphic designer or something like that?
Yeah.
UI UX
Anything.
designer.
Like if we want to get like a illustrator, proper UI UX design, and then graphic designing normal things like Canva and stuff, we need that also.
So I personally think like यही है कि लोगों के साथ नेटवर्क बनाओ. इनिशियल नेटवर्क ऐसे ही बना. This is how you. बाकी तो रास्ते दिखते जाते हैं because यही
And
से.
then
Yeah.
आप अच्छे हो ड्राइंग में, you can get into NFT space. Like,
Yes.
create digital art.
Yes. People
sell
are making
that
millions
digital
out of
art.
it. Agreed.
Even I am not aware of that much of NFT space. I've never explored it properly, but I know that people create.
I know a
them.
lot of
People
people
do
as
that
well.
for free. Yeah, and they make. If it goes they make so much of money. And even if you are doing it, you get some salary. No, it's also good.
Wow. That was such a lovely conversation, Muskan.
Wait, one
Yeah.
more thing. So I just want everybody, first year, second year, I know a lot of people hate me. I don't know why is that. But just start posting whatever you're doing on LinkedIn or Twitter.
Agreed.
It's not just about Web3. This is how like normal, like your way to finding internship or job should go. You have to put yourself out there. If you don't have a LinkedIn profile, you just have your name in your LinkedIn profile and you're reaching out to a founder. He'll not even see you. He'll not even accept your connection request. But if you have a good profile, if the founder or the recruiter can see that you are doing really great, you want to do something, you have done few internships, or you have done projects also, not like paid internships, you have done projects also, they will give you a chance. It's
So
not
true.
like you like come to Twitter, come to LinkedIn, come to events, just explore as much as you can. And like companies, they are taking so good initiatives of doing all India tours, like Proof of Community by Shardium. You can go there and learn about blockchain basics, and then they tell you that you can join their Telegram community. Just get there, talk to people, then go to the Twitter itself. Like you can talk to so many people here, and you can take guidance from them, just like I did from the very start. I was like a person, I messaged people and then I talk to them. I will ask a set of few questions, write them and ask them कि भाई आपने कैसे किया, ये कैसे किया. If you see me as like how I am right now, how would you want me to take my journey forward? And then I posted on the screenshot on Twitter itself कि
Everything is content.
this is what I learned from this person, and like that's it, and a picture with that person. So
Yes.
that's how you network. You have to have, if you are introvert, I don't think so you can do that, because it's sometimes it's very like awkward that you're talking
Yeah.
to people, but like
But this is how you should do, right? This is how you should do. You have to
Exactly.
get
You have
out there
to.
in public and speak about yourself and what you are doing and how you are doing and how you are better than others, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so before ending this episode, just want your 2 minutes to talk about this. Any advice for the female people who are watching this particular episode? And
So personally, I don't know, लोग हो सकता है जानते हो, मेरे को 18-year-old गर्ल Web3 में पता ही नहीं है. I have seen 20, 21, like फर्स्ट ईयर में तो मैंने देखी ही नहीं है यार. मतलब मैंने इवेंट्स में कभी नहीं मिली, एंड लड़कियां होती इतनी कम है. Like you just 20% of the girls or even 10% sometimes. I have been to events जिसमें मेरे अलावा कोई लड़की ही नहीं है.
सही बात है.
So that is like some girls के लिए तो अच्छी बात नहीं होगी, but that's what we want to do. You can join Superwoman DAO, you can join Crypto Female. There's so much female centric communities in Web3 that you can join. People are so sweet there. Shify, you must have heard
Yeah.
about it.
I've heard about
Shify,
it.
they also do cohort. They're doing a cohort in which they like let you learn everything about Web3. It's such a good cohort. You have to research about it. So there are some communities for girls. You have to join it. You have to learn what is Web3. If you are in tech, good, learn about development. If you are UI UX designer, just know something about crypto Web3, and then you can pave your way to jobs and internships there. So many
Lovely.
roles open.
So that's an advice.
Cyber security also, a lot of things. So for females specifically, get yourself out there. Go to events, talk to people, tell them. you want
Don't
internship.
think about too much about what people are talking about you. That's
Don't. Personally, I have got a lot of comments, a lot of things, but if I heard that, if I let them stop me from whatever I'm doing, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be doing few podcasts. I wouldn't be going to colleges and speaking there.
Wow.
Tomorrow I'm going to the college that I dropped out from. They invited me for a session.
wow.
I wouldn't be doing all this if I never,
Love.
if I thought that these comments are the ones who will decide what I do.
Wow. That was such a great advice. Thank you so much, Muskan, for doing this. It was such a lovely conversation. एक और कन्वर्सेशन फॉर श्योर रिकॉर्ड करेंगे मास्टर क्लास के ऊपर, मे बी Web3 मास्टर क्लास और ट्विटर मास्टर क्लास, समथिंग लाइक दिस. बट लव द वे यू टॉक, लव द वे यू आर मूविंग अहेड इन योर जर्नी. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर जर्नी. एंड गाइज, अगर ये वीडियो आपने अभी तक देखा है तो आप ऑलरेडी बहुत सीरियस हो. जो भी आप कर रहे हो इस आपके करियर में, so आपका तो सही होएगा. जो भी होएगा, बट व्हाट्स इंपॉर्टेंट इज द एग्जीक्यूशन. आपने जो भी कुछ सीखा है, डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर इट ऑन सोशल मीडिया एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल so that we can create more such videos with people like Muskan. And if you love the conversation जो हम करते हैं, don't forget to join our community as well. Link is available in the description. Muskan को follow कर सकते हो everywhere. Link are available in the description. And with the same thing, I'll see you very soon with another video of Art of Money. And yeah, तब तक मचाते हो. ठीक है, मुस्कान? I'll see you very soon. Thank you so much.
Yeah.